I will show you how to install a pair of glasses in the French Monecrancovid visor. So, first of all, we are going to flip the visor. It has different slots on both sides. We will take the first branch of glasses. That we will engage them in the smallest slot and bring out by the big one. We will do the same on the other side. We are going to engage the second branch and make it stand out. At this point, we will push the glasses so that it goes all the way. And there, we rotate the branches on each side. So, it's locked. The glasses are now engaged in the visor. The visor slots have been designed so that the wall is balanced, so that the visor does not take off the branches of glasses from the ears. Inside face of the visor is anti-fog treated. You can take it apart, wash it as often as you want. After several washes, it will of course be necessary to repeat an anti-fog treatment. The shape of the slots has been the subject of a registered design at the INPI, prohibiting a reproduction for commercial purposes. However, you can reproduce the model for personal or family use according to the law in force. See you soon!